Hi everyone, it's Rene and welcome to another long-awaited episode of Revv Eats. And today I have a very spicy dish to chase all your blues away. It's a dish which has its origins in the Malay and Peranakan culture. It's called Otah. So you're probably scratching your head wondering, what is Otah? Well, Otah actually looks like this. And it's spelled O-T-A-H. And the base ingredients for Otah is actually a number of ingredients, but what we've managed to do is we have a regular spice guy who can actually mix all those ingredients up for us and provide it with a mix onto which we can actually put in our other ingredients, things like your Spanish mackerel, which is what we're going to use. But if you don't have a guy who can actually do this for you, well, not to worry. Go to our website after the show and check out the list of ingredients that you can use to make that mix. But for now, let's find out more about the ingredients. Well folks, there you have it, our Otah all ready to be eaten. This being a side dish, of course, you can have it with your rice or any other dish that you want, even your soups and anything else. And in terms of how you get it cooked, okay, for myself, I actually popped it into the oven, but you can also grill it if you want to, you can also fry it. And really, there's no hard and fast rule to actually get this done. Traditionally, of course, they actually serve it in a banana leaf and they put it over, they kind of grill it over charcoal, alright? So that's the traditional way to get it done. But if you want to have a bigger serving, you don't want to have the mess of opening up the leaves and everything else, you can actually cook it like myself, right? You can actually put it into a pan like this and get it done in a really big portion, especially if you're serving on maybe 5 or 6 people. Okay, that's really up to you. And that, once again, this is how you get it done. Well folks, I hope you have lots of fun cooking this dish and sharing it with your friends as much as I did bringing it to you. To find out more about Revv Evolution, whether it's Revv Eats, it's Revv Technology, or Revv Lifestyle, do make sure you check out our website right over there. And let's not forget our social media platforms. And on another note, with the COVID-19 virus affecting us all, do please keep yourself and your family safe. On behalf of all of us here at Revv, take care.